All right, here we go again. Welcome to my vlog. I'm trying to create a new genre out of it, like, you know, POV plus vlogging. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is something that I'm trying to work on, so, you know, so that I can be with cars most of the time that I spend driving, and capture those moments and put it on YouTube so that everybody can enjoy. Okay, I'll talk less, but try to focus on driving because I'm kind of new in this, and as you can see, Bangladeshi traffic is very interesting. And I also have a surprise for you guys. This is something that I tried myself, installing it all by myself, and I hope it gives a nice view. All right, let me just stop a bit for this here and put it up. Let me know what do you think about it. Okay, there is a car behind, so I gotta get out of here a bit quick. I'll show it to you as soon as I am on a free road. All right. Never a free road actually at this time of this time is actually, like, you know, rush hour. Everybody's coming out of their office and running to catch the bus or public transport. All the car owners are out right now going home. It's chaos. Whoa, my God. That bike was very close to me, just half an inch. Bye. Don't do that, please. This is what we deal with all the time. Phone call came in and I had to receive that, and yeah, let's go. So I was saying, like, I have a little surprise for you guys, which I did myself. I think you can see a little glare. Yes, capture's completed because that bike was on my lane. Walking on the road. Okay, look at this beautiful sunlight. I mean, sunlight going down. Sun is setting right now, and this light is amazing, and I enjoy this view thoroughly. If I could get out a bit earlier, you could actually see the sunset. This is the best view of this road. Okay. So I was talking about the surprise. Wanted to give it a cooler look so that you can actually see a nice dash, a nice view. Let's do this right now. Let's see if I can turn it on. you go. What do you think? This is my new EL-ware setup, or L-ware as people popularly say. I installed it by myself, and just pretty easy. There are many YouTube videos that shows how to do it. Since I'm very frequent on YouTube, I learned it. I couldn't resist myself that I kind of wanted to do this and to see how it looks like in the real POV view. Tell me, should I keep it? Should I modify this in any way? Is it distracting, or keep it as it is? Hope you guys enjoy and like it. And that calls for a little bit of music. I'm thinking of installing something over here, this part, that would make it look like a bit nicer, I guess. Okay, this is an interesting maneuver that I'm doing right now, because you can see this is the opposite side of the road that I'm driving right now, but this is allowed because they made a mistake. I'm sorry, uncle. They made a mistake joining the road with the bridge, therefore we kind of have to come to the opposite direction for a little bit, and they allowed it. It's okay.